There is an online site that allows you to upload a network like this and solve for the minimum spanning tree um, problem. Okay, so that's the site, and that site requires the graph to be either plotted in the online site, which is kind of cumbersome, or you can set up the graph in a text file. Okay, so the text file should specify all the nodes and then the coordinates for the nodes, x and y coordinates, and then all the edges. Okay, all the nodes start with a n, and then you specify the coordinates. So x coordinates approximately. So I have x coordinates here set up approximately, and the y coordinate set up. So one x coordinate is about 10 and 100. So 10 and 100. So that's the first node. The second node is about 100 x coordinate, okay, and 200 y coordinate. So n 100, 200, right? And then the third one will be 100 and 100, or like that, okay? And then the fourth one, okay, so here 100 is the x coordinate and 10 is the y coordinate. So 100, let's say 10. And 5 is x coordinate, I don't know, 150 or 200, and then 200. So let's go 200 and 200. And then 6 is 200 x coordinate and maybe 50 y coordinate. Once again, it's approximate. So it's not no need for it to be precise. So 7 is say 300 and 150. And then x coordinate is 300 and say 80, 380. Okay, so those are the nodes, and then you specify the edges. What are the edges we have? We have an edge between, well, here is a problem. The site requires the edges to be numbered 0 through whatever. So I'm going to reduce the number by 1. So this is 0. So I have 0 to 1. And the weight is 3. Okay. And then 0 to 2, E 0 to 2 is 2. And then E 0 to 3 is 5. And then edge, okay, so here, okay, remember we have to decrement the number by 1. So 1 to 2 is 3. Okay, and then 1 to 4 is 3. Okay, and then we have, okay, so here we have 2 to 3 is 2. Okay, and then 2 to 4 is 5. And then we have 2 to 6 is 7. And 2 to 5 is 3. 2 to 5 is 3. Okay, so we have, all right, so that's done. And then E, now that one, okay, remember we have to decrement by 1. So 3 to 5 is 6. All right, so that's it. Okay, so now that one is 4 to 6 is 4. And then we have, okay, 5 to 7 is 1, and then 6 to 7 is 2. Okay. Now save this as a text file. So I'm going to save this. All right. Minimum spanning tree example. Okay. And it's going to be a text file. Okay. MST.txt file. Now we go to this site. So control click or just simply click will do too, I guess. Yeah, like that. So if you have a hand, click that. Then you have the site. All right. So go to create a graph. Okay. And it can be kind of messy here. So if you want to choose a file, so you have to do choose and navigate to the place where you saved the file. So MST example txt. All right. Okay. So we have the uh, network right here. You see uh, the numbers used are one less than the because the site requires the nodes to be numbered 0 through whatever, so you have to be careful. Now 5 to 7, it says 1 and 0. Why is that? Maybe because of the space that I have. Okay, so when you have to choose another file, unfortunately the site is kind of clunky, so you have to click choose file and cancel. So have no file chosen, and then you choose the file again. All right, so now that space messed things up. So we have a network right here with all the edge weights and properly done. So now you run the algorithm. Okay, so now it's going to, you can go step by step if you like. If you click next, it will go one step at a time, which we don't care. So we do fast forward, then it goes through all the steps and gives you the final answer. It's kind of hard to see. The green lines are the ones that are selected. So you have the minimum spanning tree now available.